the bus asks Peter, which is it? He asks again. Not this one, the other one, says Mommy. She asks Peter to take the dog into the bus, but Pat will not get on. He wants to run away. You must get on, says Peter. Here comes Daddy, says Jane from the window. He will help. Daddy helps Mommy onto the bus. Then Peter takes the bag from
Open the book, please.
From the bus. More boys who go to Peter's school get on. They talk to Peter about the game they have had. Jane and her brother are going down the street in the bus. Which bed has the sweets? Asks Jane. Who wants to eat again? The other one, says Mommy. As Jane takes out the apple, she gives her brother one. You can have some more, Mommy says. Soon the bus stops by the fire station. Peter looks out of the window. There's a fire station, he states. I can see them, man. Look, there go the fireman, he says. There must be a fire. Where is the fire? There is danger, says Mommy. I do not like it. The man will soon put out the fire, says Daddy. Peter and his sister get off the bus to walk home. Soon they go by the school. What do you like to do at school? Jane asks her brother. I like to read and draw, says Peter. So do I, says his sister. Or I like to read things, she says. Look, Daddy is going to talk to that policeman, Peter says. And we know his little boy who comes to our school. Mommy talks to the man in the shop. She wants some things for the house. Peter takes the bags again to help Mommy. He and his sister want to go home now. Peter knows how to read. He reads, Big fire this afternoon. We saw the fireman go, says Jane to her brother. We saw them from the bus. The men know how to put the fire out. They will have put it out by now. Peter says to his sister, I can read some more. Look, it says, Danger Man at Work. He reads it again to his daddy, and Jane reads to her mommy. Daddy says, it's good that our children can know how to read. Jen are at home with Mommy and Daddy Jane, and Peter knows they will soon have to go to bed. We saw how to milk cows, says Jane. Yes, says Peter to his sister, and we saw how the rabbits can jump. The man at the farm said we can go up there again. I want to see the horses again. The girl at the farm will soon ask us up to the tea, says Jane to her brother. Daddy will take us up by car. Then we can have fun. Come on, says Mommy. I have to take you off to bed now. Up we go. No more. Tick. Now can I stop? And then I want to watch it. Mama, can I? You sit there?
Thank you.
Okay, I reached the race.
Thank you.
You're welcome.